Dignity Credit Solutions. Your business needs money to grow. And where do most businesses go to get the money? They go to the banks, of course. The problem is that the bank verification process is so secret that most loan applications, nearly 90%, they get denied. And this is a huge reason so many businesses fail within the first 3 years. They just can't get money to grow. Often, the owners end up broke and in a personal credit nightmare because they use their own money and credit to get started. So what's the solution? Dignity Credit Solutions. You see, we know how to get the money you need for your business. And as it turns out, most business owners know very little about business credit. Yet, having good business credit can change everything. We know the secrets to building great business credit. And even if your personal credit isn't that great, business credit can get you access to funds without using your Social Security number. You see, a business can get a unique ID called an EIN. Our program guides the business owner first how to get the EIN, then how to build an irresistible business credit profile, because we know what the lenders are looking for. It's really quite simple. Follow our proven 7-step business credit builder program so the lenders will say yes to your business EIN. You've worked so hard for your personal assets. Why would you risk them if you don't have to? Whether you're just starting up or a well-established business, you can have access to thousands of lenders with a click of a button. And you'll know before you apply that you are pre-qualified for financing. Imagine having all the money your business needs to grow. Your business may already qualify for financing. Simply contact us today to find out. Discover how to get access to the money your business needs and more. Call or visit today, 1-877-777-0097, or visit us online at www.dignitycreditsolutions.com.